Take 12 fresh partons straight out of the sea, make sure in's a hen and een is a he. The hen partons back is best for brown meat, and as for a he, his claws is a treat. Put the 2 crabs in water in a pan, and bring to the boil as quick as you can. 20 minutes boiling is as long as you need, never much salt, it'll spoil your feed. After they're boiled, drain out all the brie, and let them cool down to a bearable degree. Start chopping the taes on a hard board, let flee with a hammer, dinna be a cord. And into a bowl with all the fat meat, make sure there's no shells, 'cause this you have to eat. Chopping Craib taes, you'll soon get the knack. The sooner it's done, you can start on the back. Put down the Craib's back the front upside down, with hands side by side, press it out with your thumb. Haul out all the poison bits that you've seen, scrape all the meat out, it's left with a spine. Put brown meat and biscuits into a tub, after it's mixed, the shells you must scrub. With brown meat and fat meat and shell on a plate, a bit lemon and parsley, it's ready to eat. Chuck away as poison bits, or you'll get a dose of the skitter, and you dinna want that. Now enjoy your dressed craib, or parton, as we say in the northeast of Scotland.